Everyone wants that wavy hair because it's stylish and attractive. But the problem is, whenever you set your hair, it sit properly. But after some time, it becomes flat again. So in this video, I will show you 6 methods to make your hair wavy. Before we start, make sure you like and subscribe. Method 1. The sea salt method. Sea salt spray is the easiest way to get instant waves. It adds texture and makes your hair slightly rough, just like beach hair. Here's how to use it. Start with slightly damp hair. Spray sea salt 5 to 7 times evenly. Now scrunch your hair with your hands. Don't comb it. Let it air dry. Or use a blow dryer with low heat while scrunching. Boom! You'll start seeing natural waves forming. Method 2. Blow dry technique. This is where you level up. Use a blow dryer and push your hair sideways and upwards with your fingers. Don't just dry it randomly, guide it. You can also twist small sections while drying to create defined waves. Pro tip: always finish with cold air. It locks the shape. Method 3. Use the right products. If your hair falls flat, use a light hair cream or mousse. Avoid heavy gels, they kill movement. You want soft, natural waves, not stiff. Method 4. The perm option. If your hair is stubbornly straight and nothing works, get a perm. A perm basically reshapes your hair into waves permanently. Ask your barber for a loose wavy perm, not tight curls. It lasts around 3 to 6 months and saves you daily styling time. But remember, perms can damage hair if overdone, so don't repeat it too often. Method 5. Daily habits matter. Don't wash your hair every day. It removes natural oils. Use conditioner to keep hair soft and stop using cheap shampoos. They make hair dry and frizzy. Also, avoid rubbing your hair with a towel. Pat dry or use a cotton t-shirt. Method 6. Train your hair. Your hair remembers patterns. If you style it the same way daily, it will slowly start staying like that naturally. So, yeah, wavy hair isn't luck. It's just knowing what to do. Start today, and in a few weeks, your hair won't just sit flat anymore. It'll flow. If this video helpful to you, like and subscribe.